These passion twists only took 2.5 hours and have lasted over a year, 14 months to be exact. One thing we're doing in 2024 is saving time and money. You said how? It's a wig. Watch me create, refresh, and install this passion twist unit. This is a picture from May 5th, 2023. Now let's proceed. The wig cap that I used is the Shake and Go Premium Oval Part Crochet Wig Cap. It is hard to find them available online now, so you want to call around to your local beauty stores. For the sake of this video, I'm putting the needle in a downward motion. I normally go up and pull down so that the braid or the twist will lay flat. Also, this is for the sake of anyone who does not know how to crochet. When I use the crochet net, I usually bunch about 3 or 4 holes together because the net is kind of big, and then it will also stop you from using too many braids. I apologize. I believe I accidentally deleted the original video from where I created the passion twist wig altogether. But so that I did not have to order another bag or purchase another bundle, I removed 16 twists because the last time I wore it, it was too full. So I removed those and I'm putting them at the top. So it looks like a lot is missing, but once you see me, braid it and do the install, you're going to see that it's more than enough. Stay tuned. Before using any braid hair or braids, I've learned to go in with baking soda or vinegar, and that's because a lot of chemicals are used on the hair. With this being a refresh, because I was oiling my hair, and because, baby, the last time I wore it was over a year ago. It's been packed away. I'm cleaning it with, I believe it was shampoo. I put a little baking soda in the water, and I also went in with some tea tree oil. Here I am finishing the last 2 braids on the foundation. I did add a little hair to the top side braids, and that's just to make it a little more secure, considering that the combs will be pulling on my hair. So I added those on. I'll give you a full picture of the foundation. The foundation doesn't have to be fancy at all. For convenience, if you don't have time, you can pull it in a ponytail. So here at the top, I am going to do individuals for the passion twist, and I have it split in 4 different parts, and I'm going to do 4 on each row, so that's a total of 16. Now I did end up having to take 16 passion twists out of my wig. It was actually a little full the last time I wore it, but I'm going to feed a couple in on camera. And I also want to show you that this wig is very versatile, because if you're not finished with your hair, you can pull your hair like back in a ponytail flat. It does not have to be braided. It does not have to be twisted. Put the wig on, get you a headband, and go on about your day. So because I have this sectioned off, I'm going to go ahead and make it flat as I can. These will come in handy. So we're making this top flat. And here. This, like, if you need to run to the store really quick or something and you don't have time to finish your hair, like you've left some food in the oven cooking on low or in the crock pot, and you need to make a quick run, or honey, maybe you just need a break and you want to go get something to eat. Okay, this is my headband. Now you can make this work with a scarf too, if you know how to tie it. See, it has the 3 clips. You see that middle a little tad, honey, but that's why we have bobby pins. Now, to make sure your wig does not go anywhere, you want to bobby pin down your sides. Also, you see this big gap up here because you haven't finished. We're gonna take a few and we're gonna spring these over across the top. Okay? Who's gonna know? Now this is a thick headband. Okay, honey, it's giving forehead, but we can go to the store in this. Okay, it's giving forehead. The only reason why I haven't did my edges is because, you know, I want that for the grand reveal. But this is just to show you that it's versatile. You don't have to do too much. It's convenient. I'm sure you can probably fit a head. Let's see. Now, this is my first time trying it with the head. Let's see. Ooh. It's giving cute. What you think? I haven't even worn this head. I'm gonna have to piece this together later in another video, in a later video. But I just wanted to show you that this can work, honey. I'm oiling my scalp with Blue Magic. For the rest of my hair, I go in with Live. The start of the braid, I am using the yellow container of Shine and Jam. But when I get to my edges or like towards the front, I am using the Kiss Colors and Care Edge Fixer, the 24-hour max hold. And then on the very end of the braid, I am putting the edge fixer on there as well, so that it will curl up and also blend in with the twist, just in case it moves out or if a part of it is showing, you won't be able to tell because it's curly. Because I am using the actual Passion Twist crochet, it takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to do the top, because I have to form the braid / twist, and then I have to feed them into the crochet braids. If I were using the curly crochet braid here, it wouldn't take as long. But remember, we're saving money and time. So I am about to feed these with the Passion Twist. I'm going to do a couple on camera. I'm also going to fill in my wisdom, okay? When I feed the crochet twist, I go down with the needle, pull the crochet hair through. I pull my hair, which is the braid slash twist, and the other part of the crochet through the loop. I tighten it, and then I wrap the top of my hair, which is a braid. I wrap it around about 2 to 3 times, and then I start pulling the twist through the crochet passion twist. So pushing the needle up, I'm finding my hair and pulling it down through, and I continue to wrap it around until the hair is all the way through the passion twist. When I feed the crochet twist, I go down with the needle, pull the crochet hair through. I pull my hair, which is the braid slash twist, and the other part of the crochet through the loop. I tighten it, and then I wrap the top of my hair, which is a braid. I wrap it around about 2 to 3 times, and then I start pulling the twist through the crochet passion twist. So pushing the needle up, I'm finding my hair and pulling it down through, and I continue to wrap it around until the hair is all the way through the passion twist. I'm just laying my edges with the Kiss edge control. I had a baby, pretty much my edges were gone. I had my edges, the sides of my hair shaved down, okay? I'm trying to get them to grow back full. I'm welcome to any suggestions. Okay, so this is just a simple braid to the back. I am growing out my nape, so I braided it across. Again, you can pull it back in a ponytail if you need to. For the top, it's giving illusion. So also, this is what I do. If you like to look cute at night for yourself or for your husband, you just wrap it up in a cute ball, tie your scarf around it, and you're still cute. Okay, so see this little piece right here, tucking that down with my scissors. They're a little dull, but they gonna slide today. Okay. And what do? Oh, honey, I'm trying. Hold on. Hold on. We have to do a redo. Okay, and what do we have? Passion twist. Now, for your back, to make sure you don't have any flyaways, I like to pin mine down. Okay, girl, because I've had these for a year. Give y'all a shot of the back. So I think this pulled on my hair, and I don't feel like doing this all the way over, so I'm gonna see if this works. Probably not, but whatever. Okay, so it did pull it back down. I just wanted to keep it real, honey. And this is how long it is. So it's hidden right there. I know you can barely tell with my pants, but because listen, we're saving money and time all 2024. I get a lot of compliments on this unit and others that I've made. Let me know what you think about it. Do you like it? Will you be trying it out? Nobody's gonna know. It's a wig.